Hey guys, welcome back to Revision Chronicle. Hope you are doing great. This is Rahim here. Today we are going to do an unboxing of a car mount that can charge your mobile automatically if your mobile supports wireless charging. Let's do a quick unboxing and see its review. So well guys, this is the box. It's an base US brand that says car wireless charger. It has a wireless charger and gravity car mount. The gravity car mount is nothing but it clamps your mobile automatically when it finds the weight of the mobile on the stand. So it is available in three colors, that is red, silver and black. So we get this 1M micro cable freely provided. Yeah, so we get this for 1500 rupees in Flipkart. Yeah, so let's do the quick unboxing of it now. So in the box we have this product information. Yeah, so we can use this for contacting the sales, but okay. So it's a warranty card. Yeah, so this is the micro USB charger that comes with this. So well guys, this is the holder and also a wireless charger. Yeah, the quality looks good. So well guys, this is the phone holder and also the wireless charger for your mobile. So the gravity stand means whenever we get the weight of your mobile here, so it's gonna fix as per the size of the mobile. Yeah, so it looks flexible enough, and the quality of the plastic here is also good. Yeah, this is the clamp clip that we get, which will be inserted into the AC vent. Yeah, so this is what we get in the box. So guys, let's assemble this and we'll go to the car then. This is how it is. It's very simple. Yeah, put this way, then put this inside of this. Yeah, and screw it back. Yeah, so these two pieces are now one piece and ready to be clamped. Well guys, the overall quality of this product looks good. The clamp is also very flexible. Yeah, it looks very sturdy and can hold it better. Well guys, you can see that I have fixed this mobile charger plus the mobile stand on the car AC vent, and it is mounted perfectly and it is also steady. So let's put our phone. Yeah, so you can see once the weight has been recognized by the stand, so it has fixed the phone properly and it is stiff now. Yeah, now let's connect that USB that it came with the box and see how the wireless charger is working. So I'm plugging this USB port here, and this will go, this end will go to the charger. Yeah, you can see that it is charging the phone properly now, so it has recognized the charge. Well guys, it's now 24% charge, so for 1% I took approximately 3 minutes. Yeah, so the charging is okay. It's not that fast, but it's manageable while we are driving. So similarly, let's see the stability test of this. Yeah, so I'm driving now. You can see that the mobile phone is very stable and it's not moving. Well guys, I can see the stability of this car mount is very good and it's very stable and it's very sturdy as well. I'm heading towards the road now. Let's see how it performs in traffics and on the roads when we apply the brakes to the car, guys. Yeah, I just took the speed breaker and it works fine. So one issue that I could find in this, it's blocking the AC. Yeah, so that is one thing that is gonna be the drawback of this. It's gonna block the 50% of the AC in the vent that we are fixing this car mount, I mean the mobile mount. Yeah, apart from that, the quality and the charging of this is good and it works perfectly fine. Yeah guys, it's gonna take approximately 3 minutes for charging the 1% wirelessly. Yeah, so it is confirmed now by seeing the 2% of the charging. It is really a great helpful for the person who use a lot of Google navigations or the person who travel a lot to the new places. So I've been applying a lot of brakes in my travel, but it is really steady. It's way better than the other mobile clamps that works magnetically. It has no grip and control over the phone that is been mounted. So this has a great mount and the quality. So it's definitely a value for money product, guys. Well guys, if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will not only motivate me but also help the channel to grow. And also please share with your friends and family for more similar stuff on this channel. Until then guys, stay home, stay safe and keep rocking. Thank you guys. Bye bye.